On today's episode, we take on the garage. Boom. Boom. Pow.
So we're beginning work on the garage.
And what we need is a garage to do all of our other projects. So,
let's get to work.
Bye.
And what's behind it?
And his name is John C.
We have no clue. Yeah, we think it might be like a vapor barrier or a fire barrier or something like that.
It wasn't held on by anything.
wow, that was dramatic.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Hello there.
One completed step, and we had enough material to actually make this whole entire sidewalk pad, so that was a big win.
We'll see how it turns out.
Hey, there was a big mud pit here before, so it's definitely better than that. So we'll wait 3 or 4 hours and then pull off the wood and see what it looks like. So you can tell the new board is level, and that's the angle from the old board. It was way off.
So ready to put the door in. Got some adhesive on there. We built some blocks to set it on, along with our concrete block. It's going. Where are you?
Huh? I'm behind the doorway. There you go. Installed just like that. You could say it's a little rotten.
Alright guys, so up next we got to connect these boards to the footer, and then I'm probably gonna cut out insulation and then clamp up some plywood. See if we can do it. So, some bad news. I found some termites under the board I was trying to Tabcon down, and the Tabcons are too short, so I gotta get some new one of those. But, yeah. did the insulation, and we've also started the process of installing drywall.
We finished priming all the drywall, and now we're going to paint. We've gone with this light gray. I believe it's called Elemental.
Alrighty.
Starting with alrighty.
Alrighty. Alright guys, so we've kind of started to complete the garage, almost. We redid the walls, we insulated them. This wall we did in plywood, the back wall we did in drywall, and then we also fixed some termite damage and added a door. The door was definitely a learning experience, but it turned out alright. It opens and closes.
We also threw up a heater, but it kind of sucks, and
Oh, it'd be hype. It makes it 2 degrees warmer.
and we started working on a little bit of a workbench, but you'll see that soon.
Maybe. Well, alright guys, if you liked the video and you enjoyed the content, come back for more, like and subscribe. And yeah, leave us comments on what you might want to see. We can try to make anything. Well, I think that's it. Thanks, y'all. Yeehaw. No. Bye.